I took plain denim and turned it into over 9 different beautiful earring designs. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and it's gonna be summertime in just a little bit, and we're all gonna be out in our denims. You know, the new styles of denims are out, the big leg pants, and some of us remember those. Anyway, we're gonna need some denim earrings to wear with these new style denims. You want to offer your customers some denim earrings that are not the normal ones. So I have a 9 pair of denim blank offering. We have 9 different shapes. And right now, there are even, normally there are 9 shapes, but what I'm doing now is I have about 12 different shapes that are in this denim blank offering. And what you can do with these is you can just really make them your own. In here we have some unique shapes. We have the heart shape, we have a triangle shape, we have a regular hoop shape, and then the teardrop shape. So there are all kinds of different shapes that we've done. These are on 1/8 inch wood, so they're nice and sturdy. And there's just a lot that you can do with them. On the bottom row are some studs. Three of these are little teardrop studs, and the first pair has a hole in them. The rest of them come with the holes already in them. Here is just another pair of denims that I've made, just to show you how versatile the denim blanks are. These aren't in the denim blanks that I'm showing you. Here are some Ankh blanks that I also have in my Shopify store. I'll leave a link to them. These are popular, and you can do different things with these as well. I'm showing you here what I did with some blanks that I was preparing for an event that I had. I always want to have something different. So I don't want to go out there with what everybody else is going to have, you know. So I just took my paint pen and just put little dots on my denims, and it made them totally different. If you're getting ready for some summer events where you need to have something different and something quick, get these denim blanks. All you got to do is, do your thing with them, put your earring findings on, and go for it. All right, good people, this is Sherry. If you like this video, I invite you to give me a thumbs up, like, a comment. Let me know if you sell denim at all, or if you wear denim at all. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We're also the creators of the Hobby to Hustle community on the school platform. We invite you to join. It's free to join. We also have a paid course which helps you learn how to make money with your jewelry. But we invite you to come in and check us out. Don't forget our denim blank that we have for sale. Normally it's 9 pair, but right now you can get 12 pair. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.